Hey friends, have you ever wondered why we sneeze? I sneeze sometimes, especially when there's a lot of dust or when I smell a super strong flower. But what's actually happening when we go, achoo? Let's shrink down and take a look inside our nose. Our noses are like tiny superheroes. They help us breathe, smell awesome things, and even keep out stuff that doesn't belong, like dust, pollen, or pepper. Sometimes those tiny things sneak into our noses and tickle the inside. And guess what? Our bodies don't like that. So, our brain sends a message. Time to get this stuff out. That's when our nose, mouth, and even our eyes work together for a super sneeze. Air rushes out really fast, faster than a race car, and blows out all that annoying stuff. That's why you should always cover your nose and mouth when you sneeze. It keeps germs from flying everywhere. Sneezing isn't just for people, though. Even puppies, kittens, and elephants sneeze. It's just our body's way of staying clean and healthy. Next time you sneeze, remember, your nose is just being a superhero. Thanks for learning with me. Don't forget to say excuse me after you sneeze, and always wash your hands. See you next time for more awesome science fun.